Dogs do dream. And by monitoring their brain waves, scientists have found out that puppies dream far more than adult dogs. They can even tell that dogs dream about the day's events, processing their memories. Looks like it's been quite a busy day.
همشون این شکل میخوابن حیوونا. ببینم حالا چجور خوابده مثل گربه.
A fortnight later, and our puppies arrived at one of the world's most high-tech specialist dog centers. She's here to find out if she has what it takes to make it as one of the most sought-after dogs in the country.
She's a French bulldog called Purdy, and she's deaf. In terms of training, it's quite difficult because it's hard to get focus onto you. Obviously, with her treat work, which is really helpful. Within the first week or two, she was coming out of her shell quite quickly. She just continued to grow in confidence.